Her Excellency N.H. Serin, Head of Marshal, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Israel, the country of Israel. So also we have the presence of His Excellency Naor Gilon, Ambassador from Israel to our country. Then we have got a very prominent farmer from Israel, Uri Rubinstein, who is also attached to the Israel Embassy. मानाधिक म्हणजे मित्र बाप श्री रवी नाईक जे जावन आसात आमचे शेती मंत्री ह्या सुंदरशा गोंयचे, आमचे सेक्रेटरी फॉर एग्रीकल्चर मानाधिक श्री मिश्राजी, आमचे डायरेक्टर फॉर एग्रीकल्चर मिस्टर नेविल, मानाधिक सगळे अधिकारी जे या सोहळ्याच्या निमित्तान सहभागी झाले आसात आणि गोंयच्या वेगवेगळ्या भागांतल्यान जे प्रोग्रेसिव्ह शेतकरी ज्यांका मानले वतात त्यांचे गावात असे विंगड विंगड गावांतल्यान हांगसर आयिल्ले सगळे मानाधिक शेतकरी भाव आणि भयणानो, आमचे माजी शेती खात्याचे डायरेक्टर बापश्री तेंडुलकर हांगसर आसात, बापश्री गांवकर जे जावन आशिल्ले आमचे आयसीआर सेंटराचे काम करपी एक उत्कृष्ट शेतकरी आणि सायंटिस्ट. आयच्या सुवाळ्याच्या निमित्तान हांव चड वेळ घेवचो ना तुमचो, पूण एक मानाचो चुरो जो आसा पळय न्ही तो आज आमच्या ह्या मतदारसंघात आणि शेती खात्यात अशें म्हटलें जाल्यार वावगे जावचें ना की सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलन्स फ्रॉम विथ द कॉपरेशन बाय इस्रायल आणि गोवा अशा प्रकारचे हांव आत्तां आयकता त्या प्रमाणे सादारणशी पयलीं 12 सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलन्स जाल्ले आसात.
नॉर गेलोन एम्बेसडर ऑफ इस्रायल इन इंडिया हे इस्रायलचे एम्बेसडर आमच्या गोंयांत येयल्यात, आमच्या देशांत पावल्यात. तशेंच हिज एक्सलन्सी इनेट शेरीन correct colleague? Okay. She is head of MSA Maso Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Israel. And Uri Rubinstein, agriculture attached to Moscow. आमचे बाबा सुभाष शेवडकर, आमचे सेक्रेटरी, तसेच आमचे डायरेक्टर आणि हांगा आशिल्ले आमचे जिल्हा मेंबर, सरपंच, पंच आणि बाकीचे आमचे शेतकरी भाव, तशेंच आमचे हांगसर पयलींचे डायरेक्टर आसा, तशेंच बाकी सगळे हांचे काय शेती संबंधी चड आवड आसा असे लोक आसात आणि ही त्यांची खंयची टेक्नॉलॉजी आमचे कडेन हाडटा म्हणजे आमी ते जे कितें तयार करतात ते आमकां दाखोवपाक म्हणजे तेंची दाखोवपाची हें आसा आनी तेंगेरच आमी ती सिस्टम हांगा जावपाक शकता. कित्याक आमचे कडेन उदक उबा, तेंचे कडेन उदक कमी आसा, तरी सुद्दां आमचे कडेन आमी आमचे आसा आनी फुडें सुद्दां आमी जेंका शेतकरी आसात जे शेती भागात सगळे तरेची एक आमी नवीन हेगे आगरीचे पॉलिसी हाडटले आनी आमी आगरीच्या पॉलिसी हाडल्या नंतर आमी शेती जी भाटां जी आसा तांकां आणि शेतकरी आसा तांकां खूबशे फायदे जातलो ते आमी तयार केल्या आणि आमची कमिटी हांगसर कमिटी मेंबर आसा आणि ते सगळ्यांनी रिपोर्ट केला आणि घेतल्या आणि ती बेगीनच जातली आणि सगळे शेतकरी जे आसात जावं कोण जे आसा आणि कोण आसा तांकां सगळे फायदे जातले आणि जी आमची शेती जी आसा गोंयांत ती ही वाडटली.
Minister, Honorable Minister of Water, Secretary Agriculture, Director of Agriculture, all dear friends. We are very happy to be here today in Goa. For me, it's my 4th or 5th time. I must say that the relations between Israel and India go far beyond the formal side of relations. There is a secret ingredient, I think, in our relations, something very emotional, connecting the two people. And we can say maybe it's the fact that the Jews lived in India for over 2,000 years as equal citizens and contributed quite a lot also back to motherland India. It can be maybe the fact that Indian soldiers released or conquered from the Ottoman Empire in the First World War, what 30 years later became Israel, and 900 Indian soldiers are buried in Israel and thousands in our region in general. It might be the fact that Israel brought, I think, agriculture technologies to India very early, irrigation, smart irrigation, and we continued with, of course, centers of excellence that we are doing in the last 15 years. It can be the defense cooperation between the countries over the years. I don't know really what it is, but I think it's a combination of all of that, which creates very, very special relations between India and Israel that are far beyond what one can explain on the dry facts. The trade is going well, the cooperation is well in all fields, a lot of trust, a lot of love. So I see this center in Goa, Center of Excellence, as another step of the people-to-people relations, where Indians and Israelis will work together in order to improve the life of both peoples. I'm very happy to be here. Again, Goa is beautiful, Goa is amazing. You know that many Israelis after their military service love to come to Goa, to do here, to live their normal life and to see how people are living and enjoying life and culture and take in the culture. So I'm many years after military service, but I'm still happy to come here every time I'm here. Jai Hind, Jai Israel. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.